In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect NordVPN to your TP-Link router so every device in your home can stay protected at all times. Connecting NordVPN to your router is a game changer because it means you don't have to install the VPN on each device individually. Once the router is connected, every phone, tablet, TV, and computer on your network will be secured automatically. First, make sure your TP-Link router supports VPN connections. You can check this in your router's manual or on the TP-Link website. Many TP-Link models support OpenVPN, which works perfectly with NordVPN. If you want to try NordVPN at a great price, check out the link in the description. If your model doesn't support VPN, you might need to install custom firmware like DDWRT or OpenWRT, but many newer models work right out of the box. Next, log in to your TP-Link router's admin panel by typing its IP address into your browser, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Enter your username and password. Then, look for the VPN or OpenVPN section in the settings. Now, go to the NordVPN website, log into your account, and find the OpenVPN configuration files. Choose the server location you want, ideally one close to you for the best speeds, and download both the .ovpn file and the necessary certificates. Back in your TP-Link panel, upload the configuration file and certificates. Then enter your NordVPN username and password from your account dashboard. Save your changes and connect. Once the status says connected, your entire home network is now running through NordVPN. I've tested this setup, and it's not only secure but also fast enough for streaming, gaming, and heavy downloads. Plus, with NordVPN's no logs policy and advanced encryption, you can browse with total peace of mind. So, if you want to protect every device in your home with one setup, connect NordVPN to your TP-Link router today. Use the link in the description to get it at a great price. And once you've tried it, you'll never want to browse without it.